The 5E error code on Samsung refrigerators is directly related to issues with the defrost sensor of the evaporator, which is specifically located in the coil on the refrigerator compartment side of the appliance. This sensor plays a crucial role in regulating the defrost cycle and ensuring the overall efficiency of the refrigeration system. What is the defrost sensor, and what is its function? The defrost sensor has three primary functions. 1. Monitor the evaporator temperature. It detects variations in temperature to determine whether it is necessary to initiate a defrost cycle. By constantly monitoring temperature changes, the sensor ensures that the refrigeration system operates effectively under optimal conditions. 2. Activate the defrost system. When it detects ice buildup caused by the condensation of water in the air, the sensor sends a signal to the system to melt the ice. This process ensures efficient heat exchange and prevents ice from obstructing the airflow inside the refrigerator. 3. Protect the system. The sensor prevents unnecessary defrost operations, which could lead to excessive energy consumption and potential damage to the refrigerator. This safeguard helps maintain the system's long-term reliability and energy efficiency. Causes of the 5E error code. This error typically occurs when the defrost sensor exhibits one of the following issues. 1. Open circuit in the defrost sensor. An open circuit indicates infinite electrical resistance, which disrupts the sensor's operation. 2. Short circuit in the defrost sensor. A short circuit indicates zero electrical resistance, which also prevents the sensor from functioning correctly. Steps to resolve the 5E error code. 1. Reset the error code. To do this, press and hold the energy saver and alarm button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Expected results. If the 5E code disappears, it was likely caused by a sporadic fault or a loose connection rather than a defective sensor. If the code persists, it is likely that the defrost sensor is causing the problem. 2. Check for loose connections. Before attempting more complex repairs, inspect the sensor connector and its associated wires. Ensure there are no loose connections, damaged pins, or deteriorated cables that might be disrupting the sensor's functionality. 3. Locate and measure the defrost sensor. If the error code continues after resetting, perform a more detailed diagnosis. A. Sensor location. The sensor is located in the evaporator of the refrigerator compartment, behind the white ventilation panel at the rear interior of the appliance. B. Identification. Look for a yellow wire connected to the evaporator pipe. This corresponds to the defrost sensor. C. Measurement with a multimeter. Set the multimeter to the kilo-ohm scale. D. Disconnect the defrost sensor carefully and measure its electrical resistance. A value of 0 indicates a short-circuited defrost sensor, which is the reason for the 5E error code. An infinite value indicates an open circuit, also causing the 5E error code. In both cases, the sensor is defective and must be replaced. If the defrost sensor's measurements are within the expected range, the issue might lie in the electronic control board or the sensor's power supply.